Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your morning market update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market is opening. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. Happy Thursday. It is almost the weekend. Now, don't get me started on hockey this morning. I don't know what the heck that was last night, Bruins, but hopefully we turn things around tomorrow night. This morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, a bunch of notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Of course, we'll be checking out the Tip Ranks page to see how Wall Street analysts weigh in as well. If you want to download their mobile app, links will be in the description down below. Now, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are once again in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.45%, S&P 500 futures down 0.69%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.95%. Ford will be expanding their electric vehicle business as they plan to sell their all-electric pickup truck overseas. They announced that they'll be selling a special edition of their F-150 Lightning in Norway, with deliveries starting in 2024. Ford Norway's managing director said that the F-150 Lightning is the perfect match for many customers in Norway, uniquely capable of quenching our thirst for adventure while embracing our passion for protecting the environment. Analysts currently rate the Ford stock a hold with an average upside of over 11%. Snap announced that they have drawn 3 million paying subscribers to their Snapchat Plus service. That included the addition of about 1 million paid users in just the past 11 weeks. They also announced that a My AI subscription feature would be rolling out to the entire Snapchat community for free, enhanced by more new features. Analysts do currently rate the Snap stock a hold with a downside of over 2%. Now, moving right along to notable earnings reports, as that is what's dominating the headlines this week. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from PPG Industries, CSX Corp, and Seagate Technology. Last night, many eyes were on Tesla. Their stock is falling this morning as they posted inline earnings but did miss on revenue. Their automotive gross profit margin was below 16%, and that was down from about 21% in their fourth quarter. They reported Q1 earnings per share of 85 cents and revenue of $23.3 billion, which missed by $60 million, but did grow over 24% year over year. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy. We have buys, holds, and sells all coming in today with an average upside of 21%. Last night, we also heard from IBM. They're up slightly after posting mixed results and issuing a solid full-year outlook. Their Q1 earnings per share of $1.36 beat expectations by 69 cents per share, while their revenue of $14.3 million just slightly missed by $30 million. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 14%. Moving to the pre-market this morning, we've heard from AT&T. Their stock is falling slightly after posting mixed results, but also seeing subscriber growth slow. AT&T reported a net gain of 424,000 in their postpaid subscriber base for the first quarter, coming in just ahead of expectations, but this was well below the 691,000 that they had added in the year earlier. Earnings per share of 60 cents beat expectations by 1 cent per share, while revenue of over $30 billion missed by $80 million. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 10.5%. We've also heard from American Express this morning, who posted mixed results. Their Q1 earnings per share of $2.40 missed expectations by 27 cents per share, but their revenue of $14.28 billion did grow over 21% year over year, beating expectations by $260 million. Analysts currently rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 12%. And last but not least, also coming out with mixed results was Taiwan Semiconductor. They reported earnings per ADR of $1.31, beating expectations by 11 cents per share, and revenue of $16.72 billion, which did miss expectations by $170 million. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy among analysts with an average upside of 36%. Now, let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Calix after they beat on their earnings report last night. Trading under the ticker CALX, the stock is currently up 12%. They're followed by Las Vegas Sands under LVS, up 5.5%, and DR Horton under DHI, up 4.7%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Nokia following their earnings. Trading under the ticker NOK, they're down 8.4%. They're followed by Tesla under TSLA, down nearly 7.5%, and F5 Networks under FFIV, down 7%. So that is going to be everything for our morning market update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know as the market opens. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.